Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2022 INFINITI QX50 Autograph. Now, biggest aspects, huge differences on the Autograph come to play at night. That's why we're driving it at night. And plus, I've driven a bunch of them. Not autographs, but a bunch of QX50s. So I figured I'd film this one at night. Now, I'm gonna get out of this lit area so we can start going through the interior differences. One huge difference, or one huge advantage to the Autograph, that also comes into play in the Essential, I do believe, is adaptive front lighting. So look, that roundabout is very darkly lit. As I turn the wheel, there go the headlights, illuminating the turn before I get there. So as you turn the steering wheel, the headlights adjust and illuminate the path that you're going to be going into. And you can see it if I turn the wheel, multiple different, you can see it off in the distance. Now, I'll pull off to the side here. Autograph, biggest interior difference is ambient lighting. You have it all underneath here, all underneath here, in the door handles, in the door cards. It's all suede up here. Where's this? Is the, oh yeah. So it's all suede through here. You have ambient lighting all underneath here. This open pore wood trim, suede that comes all the way through here. Just gorgeous quilted leather. Without further ado, let's take this thing out on the road. As tested price, just over $60,000 sticker price. It is $60,534. Listen, that's a lot of money. I'm not telling you it's not a lot of money. But what you're getting is absolutely great. I've taken home a good number of QX50s, this generation of QX50. I've driven Luxes, I've driven Essentials. I think I've taken a Sensory home, and I've taken a Essential with Autograph pack, which was this before this was its own trim level. This is my first time driving a new Autograph home for the night, and oh my God, I love it. It's just so nice. You have cooled seats, you have heated seats, heated steering wheel. The suede trim really makes the difference. I will say the adaptive front lighting, it's just, once you have it, you never want to go without it. .2.0-liter variable compression turbocharged 4-cylinder, 268 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque. It's powered through the CVT transmission. So let's see, in this back road section here is where the adaptive front lighting is essential. Look at that. Illuminates the road as we go. I've noticed it's not as sensitive going off to the left in order to avoid blinding drivers on the other side of the road. So watch as I turn right. It illuminates exactly where I'm going. It is awesome. See, does dimming it dim the ambient lighting? No, that's a good idea. What's all the way bright? There it is. Yep, there we go. You can see heads-up display. I hope that's appearing well on camera. Another good test of the adaptive lighting. Steering assist is on. These are freshly painted. It's a hands-on system, so it's not going to be ideal. But it's working. It's doing it. The chime saying the steering's going to be deactivated. Once it's comfortable again, it's going to reactivate the steering. Of course, it's going to be unpainted. That is ProPilot Assist standard on all new QX50s. High beams. Oh, those are bright. Those are very bright. Do we have adaptive front lighting with high beams? The high beams don't move, but the low beams do. Wow, that's bright. Where's my cover? There we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.